Okay, here I am. We're on 350 with the friends running with me. He decided to try that. I actually went that route to come around it. I think this is stock friendly, able to be stock friendly. However, he went off into something that he's just a little deep on. But we're out here playing anyway. And we're fixing to see how he comes. It is slowly coming. Look at him. He's got it going pretty good on himself. Helping a little bit. See him coming through. That's a deep hole, folks. Deep hole. Look at them rust he's leaving in that thing. Man, that's deep. Look at the mud piling up in front of him. That is a deep hole. Got a nice solid bumper on the front of this thing. Heavy strap. See that? It'll pull it hard for a second. I'm gonna give it a second. Look there. That's deep. All right, here we go. Look at that. Pulling it up. Man, look at the mud coming up in front of that. Look at that.
Trying to help you, buddy.
That's the hole, folks. That's the hole. I'm just keeping an eye on my winch, make sure it's, pulling like it should, but it is. It's pulling to one side, but that's okay. Look at that. Man, that's sloppy. Sloppy, sloppy. All right. There we go. It looks like I'm going to run this out a little bit. You see how that got wound up on that on one side. I'm going to get it over on the other side now.
Oh my God.
Yeah, that is muddy. Look at that. Muddy. You were buried, man. You were coming up. Mud was pushing your bumpers. Like, no joke. But anyway.
Good thing I don't gotta drive this thing home.
Yeah. Anyway, we're just out here having fun. That was a fun little mud hole.